ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
ರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಸ್ಮಾರಕ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ನೋವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾ ಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಥೆರಪಿಯನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಪೀಡಿತ ಜೀವನದ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟತೆಯನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಹೊಸ ವಿಧಾನವಾಗಿದೆ. ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಂದಣಿಯ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸ್ತನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಸಂಭವ ಮತ್ತು ಮರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಕಾರಣವಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಹೊಸ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 13.5% ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಿತ ಮರಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 10%
Welcome to everyone. At Ramaya Memorial Hospital, we have a sub-center called Ramaya Institute of Oncology, which has embarked on a journey of excellence. In this context, this is a comprehensive cancer center with facilities for screening, diagnosis, therapy and supportive care. There are dedicated areas earmarked for this and dedicated medical and paramedical staff who take care of this. In order to achieve this excellence, the hospital is in the process of co-branding with the Mount Sinai Hospital, New York. There are planned exchanges of faculty, nursing and quality managers from both the institutions. This center is equipped with the state-of-the-art diagnostics and oncology, including advanced laboratory tests, a 3 Tesla MRI, mammogram and nuclear medicine facilities. The radiation oncology team here has a highly experienced faculty supported by 2 equipments of linear accelerators to deliver radiation.
Good afternoon and namaskar. It's my proud privilege to stand here today in front of you, welcoming you, all of you, as we share some very exciting news in the field of medicine, especially in cancer care. Cancer care is always cancer is a dreaded disease, not any longer. If we say about, quarter of a century ago, people used to write off, cancer means that's the end of it. And they used to count months, count days, count weeks. Now, not any longer. There are a lot of cancer survivors. Cancer is not a dreaded disease. It is curable. A lot of cancer survivors. And we at Ramaya Memorial Hospital have a unique center as you created a center of excellence in oncology. We have all modalities, state-of-the-art equipment and skilled and knowledgeable surgeons and physicians to handle these people. In addition, there is a very strong support service.
I will be very brief. Once again, I would like to extend a very hearty welcome to all of you on this occasion when our colleagues in the oncology center here are introducing a very new kind of treatment, a new facility for the benefit of people who need treatment for cancer of various kinds. Now, just to give you a little background, we have been having treatment for cancer of various kinds in our hospital for many years. But this was earlier outsourced to another company. And last 2 years, we have been upgrading our facilities, and completely it is now handled by our own doctors, our own management. It is the new Center of Excellence in Oncology, which has been fully upgraded. We have where we had one LINAC machine earlier.
Welcome all. At the outset, we need to understand we clinicians are like, if we get a technology, we would be happy to use it. But the person who grants them is sitting with us. He has been very helpful to support us in whatever we ask. So special thanks to our Srinivas Murthy sir, who has been as the backbone for us. Coming to radiation oncology as such, some of it I am trying to cover in simple terms so that it becomes easier for us to understand. So basically what we have, which if you have time we will take you around the center to have a look at it also. What we have on top is external RT machine known as TrueBeam machine. It is one of the most sophisticated machines which can deliver radiation. The second one is the Electa machine, which we have been using for almost about 12 years. Moment IORT. This is the machine which we will take you and show, and probably I will show you rest of the images also. So what is IORT? IORT is nothing but intraoperative radiation therapy. Basically, delivery of radiation to the tumor or the tumor bed when the area is exposed by surgery. It is capable of delivering very high doses of radiation precisely to the tumor bed with minimal exposure to surrounding healthy tissues. Some of it may look too much, but this is how it basically boils down to. If you can make out the inside kind of orange, but with the present technology or the previous technology what we had, we used to deliver it like this. From all angles we used to direct, so the radiation has to pass through all the tissues in order to deliver the dose to this area in a simple term. So what IORT or this WOMED machine will help us do basically is deliver it only there. Why? Why? Because the surgeon exposes it and we can deliver with the help of applicator, keeping it in the tumor bed itself. In a nutshell, basically we are delivering dose only to that area, avoiding the lungs, the heart, the other tissues around. So historically, are we the first to think about it? No, we are not the first to think about it. The concept of this came up in early 1900s when we started using radiation. By 1930s, first 6 cases were treated for gastric cancers. Why? Because we couldn't deliver radiation to gastric cancers from outside. So it has been reported. All this basically it's an X-ray machine which is trolley, and to make sure that it can move at different angles, this arm has been made in such a way so that you can treat not only breast cases or not only cases which are available when we do the OT, but we also use it probably in the future for brain, rectum and other sides. So it needs to have an arm which can twist and turn in the way the tumor or the surgeon is operating. Hence this kind of a arm has been created. It is not a robotic arm as such. We have to manually move it because of one reason, that if you want to add a robot onto it, then again the equipment will become bulkier. Basically the surgeon operates and takes out the tumor and a cavity is created in that area. So once a cavity is created, we place, this is the applicator what I was showing you at that time, which we place into the
ಇದು ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 10ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಉಳಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಸರ್. ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೋ ದಿ ಲಂಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ which give insurance to the people who are in first stage and second stage cancer. What they require is
are highly trained in the realms of modern, robotic and minimally invasive techniques. Our nephrourology is one of the largest, staffed with qualified specialists and paramedics. We provide streamlined dialysis services complemented by highly effective and successful transplant services. With over 120 successful bone marrow transplants, our medical and surgical oncology team is a worthy opponent for all cancers. We are equipped with state-of-the-art critical care units, and our intensivists work round the clock with computerized monitoring systems to optimize patient care. The Department of Neurosciences has attained fame for being able to tackle a wide range of neurological problems.
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.